Let's play a game. Look at our friend, the raccoon. On his left, he holds a fresh apple, and on his right, $100 bill. Both look fresh. Both look valuable. If he hides this apple in his secret stash for a year, he comes back to mush. It rots. Nature's way of saying, use it or lose it. But that piece of paper, it looks the same. It feels the same. But Raccoon knows a dirty little secret that the suits on Wall Street don't want you to know. It is rotting too. Just like the apple, you just can't see the decay with your human eyes, but he can smell it. They call it inflation. He calls it the invisible tax. Welcome to the Raccoon Economy. Today, we are going to show you how you are being robbed in broad daylight and why you're actually thanking the thief. He works hard for his acorns, just like you. He trades his time, his sweat, and his soul for these pieces of paper. But there is a building in Washington. Let's call it the Magic Factory, where a bunch of old guys can press a button and create trillions of these papers out of thin air. You might think that's good. More money for everyone. Right? Wrong. You are thinking like a human. You need to start thinking like a raccoon. Imagine this pizza is the entire economy. It has 8 slices. Raccoon worked all week to buy 1 slice. It's rare. It's valuable. He is hungry. Then, the chef decides to bake 10,000 more slices and throws them into the crowd. Suddenly, his slice isn't special anymore. It's trash. When they print more money, they aren't creating wealth. They are diluting your wealth. They are stealing the value of the money already in your pocket without ever touching your wallet. So, Raccoon goes to the store. He sees the price of eggs, gas, or rent going up. He gets confused. He gets mad at the farmer. He gets mad at the landlord. He says, everything is getting so expensive. No, genius. The eggs aren't getting expensive. The eggs are the same. A chicken lays an egg today, just like it did in 1920. The egg didn't change. The paper he is using to buy it changed. It got weaker. History is full of this stuff. Rome did it. Germany did it. Zimbabwe printed bills with 100 trillion written on them. Do you think those people were trillionaires? No. They were starving billionaires. Since 1913, the dollar has lost about 96% of its value. That's not a bug in the system. That's a feature. They want it to rot. So, if inflation is destroying everything, why are the rich getting richer? Because rich people don't save money. They know the secret. Rich people hold assets. Real things, real estate, gold, stocks, businesses, even freaking Lego sets, things that act like a shield against the money printer. Raccoons. They like shiny objects, they like food, they like shelter. They don't hoard paper tickets that the carnival owner can print more of. When inflation hits, the price of the house goes up, the price of the stock goes up. The rich guy smiles. The guy saving cash under his mattress cries. It sounds harsh, but the system is designed to punish savers. If you keep your wealth in paper, you are slowly bleeding out. Listen closely. The game is rigged, but that doesn't mean you have to lose. Raccoon knows he must stop trusting the paper. He needs to convert his trash into treasure before it rots. Educate yourself. Buy assets. Build skills. Be useful. Don't let the Magic Factory steal your hard work. Next time, we're going to talk about the biggest casino on Earth. A place where dreams are sold and pockets are picked. The stock market. If you don't want to stay a broke human forever, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the Empire. Class dismissed.